Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today I'm going to do a razor review on the Parker PTABK adjustable Shavette razor is what they call it. I've done an unboxing of it, but I have not shaved with it yet. What this is, it's a Shavette razor, a replaceable blade barber's razor that will allow you to adjust your shave based on whether you choose the low insert, the medium insert, or the high insert. They all look the same, but they all offer just a slightly different blade reveal. Low is less blade reveal, medium is a little bit more, and high is the ultimate or most blade reveal. What they have to say about it: Insert 1, low blade exposure, useful for light beard growth or bulk shave jobs, hot towel shaves, etc., where a lower, more stable blade exposure is needed. Insert 2, medium blade exposure, most all-around usage with moderate blade exposure for many different shaving tasks. Insert 3, high blade exposure, useful for more detailed work and shape-ups where more visible blade exposure is required. If you buy this razor from Shave Nation, we will give you, with it, for free, 7 different pre-split blades that fit directly into the razor. If I could fan these out, there's 7 different ones there, and they will come in a little zip like this, a little waterproof zip bag. You'll get 1 Derby, 1 Lord, 1 Parker, 1 Perma-Sharp, 1 Shark, 1 Sharp, and 1 7am Plus. So you can try all those different blades, test drive them, see what you like the best, and then we sell the same blade in bulk packs of 100, pre-split. Let's take one out just so you could have a look at it. Here is the Parker pre-split blade. Comes in this package. That's what the pre-split blade looks like. You just take it out, you drop it in the razor, ready to rock and roll with your shave. But I'm not going to use those today. I'll show you how you can split a regular double-edged blade in half. Here it is. This is the Parker blade again. You can do this with any blade. You can do this with a feather. You can do this with an Astra, whatever. But just leave it in the paper, protect your fingers, fold it over, snap it down until you hear 2 clicks. 1, 2, that's it. And then open up the paper and remove the half blade that you just split, like that. It used to be 1, now it's 2. So you get more shaves per blade by using a razor like this. Let me show you how to insert this. This is a little bit tricky. It's not the easiest, but what you want to do is just drop it over the insert. There's 2 little tabs. You want to drop your blade over those tabs. In my opinion, and a couple others have suggested it too, it would be a lot better if this was magnetic. But that's what it looks like with the blade dropped underneath those 2 tabs. This is the low insert that I'm starting with. Just insert that into the blade holder, like so. Push it all the way forward, and you'll need to tap it down sometimes, just like that, just to make sure it's fully seated. Don't use your finger. The best thing is the razor blade case, holds it right down. You can see that reveal, that's a low reveal right there. What I will do, and I have heavy beard growth, so we can demonstrate, we can put this razor to the test. I will use this Cella Rapid Shave, which is clear and allows you to see your lines. So I'll apply this. I'm going to try the low, the medium, and the high insert in that order, and we'll find out if this is a fluke or if this is legit. If they really are adjustable, I would really call it flippable or swappable, because you're not really adjusting, you're just removing an insert and installing another insert which has more exposure. All right, enough talk. Let's get to the shave. I'm just going to warm up my face. Pretty decent beard growth. All right, my face is red, good and warm. Remove the cap. Squirt a little bit into the fingertips. Say about that much. And just massage that directly into the beard. No brush needed for this. So it doesn't really lather up, but it gives you immense amounts of lubrication. It's very slippery, very slick. And it is turning white just slightly, but it's nothing like a shaving cream that you lather up where you can't see anything underneath it. So this will still allow you to see your beard to perform your lineups. Dry the fingers. Okay, you can hold this however it's comfortable for you. That's how it looks in the slightly open, but just fold it open this way. It's got jimps or little file grooves up on top for a little better support. And then the insert also has grooves on the bottom for thumb support. So you can use 2 fingers in the front, like so, 1 finger in the front. When you're trimming your sideburn, I like to go with 1 finger in the front. It's a little bit easier to see. It's tough to see over the 2 fingers. Try it yourself, you know what I mean. So I'm just going to shave a little bit and see what this feels like. The #1 insert for low blade exposure, useful for light beard growth or bulk shave jobs, hot towel shaves, where a lower, more stable blade exposure is needed. Well, I have heavier beard growth, so I'm just going to start up here. I just want to see what it feels like and see if I can see a difference between the low, the medium, and the high. I'll just temper it under the hot water. Okay, we're low insert, and just see what it feels like. Cut the sideburn. Definitely got some audible feedback there. Okay, remove the beard quite easily. Okay, so there's the stubble on it. Let me rinse that. Lots of stubble went down the drain that time. You can see how nice and smooth it is. You can get really close with this type of a razor. It doesn't have a safety bar. It's blade on skin. So that's why barbers use these to shave their clients. So now I'm going to pop this out. Just push it forward and it comes right out. I'm just going to leave the blade in there, set it off to the side. I'm going to use the other half of the blade right here. I'm going to insert that. You can see this is the medium blade holder. Just insert it till it drops all the way in. You can even pull it back a little further from here. And then just to double check, let's take our blade case. It's all the way down even, you can see that. So medium blade exposure. We'll start on the left side, see what that feels like. Seems to be more feedback on this. It's a little bit louder. The shave provided, pretty similar. I'm pretty smooth on both sides. Let me rinse that. Let's go a little more on this side, see what it feels like. Rinse that, it's starting to fall off, so let's rinse. I'll finish this side with the medium. This side is nice and clean. Let's hit the mustache too. I feel like it's bouncing around a little bit. Let me try the next one. Let's go to the high and see what that feels like. You have to fold the handle all the way down so you can get to the insert from back here to push it forward. Then you can grab it from the top. I have another blade here. Let's snap this one in half, just so I'm using a fresh blade with each one. Okay, now let's slide that. You can see it's the high insert. Let's drop that right in. Pull it back all the way. Make sure it's down all the way. Yep, all good. Just gonna apply a little bit more of this Cella. Refresh the area. And some water. All right, let's carry on down the left side here. Again, a lot of audible feedback. It's chattering a little bit. There's the stubble. Let's rinse it. Okay, let's rinse that. Now the mustache area. It works fine, but I feel like, my opinion, I like the low the best. I'm going to go back to the low. I'm going to take this out. This may be the best way to do it anyway. If you have heavy beard growth, start off with a high, then go medium, and then go low. I'm going to go back to the low right here. The one with the least blade reveal. I feel like it won't chatter as much. A quick rinse. Let's apply some more Cella Rapid Shave. Don't need as much this time. This is the low insert. I'm just going to go with another pass with this one. This one seems to skim over the skin. I like the feel of the low. Rinse. Right down the neckline. So you have to rinse quite often. Rinse. Okay, rinse that. Mustache. Other side. Okay, very good, nice and smooth. Another quick rinse. Let's see if we can go against the grain on the cheeks. A little bit more. Cella Rapid Shave. We'll go against the grain on the neck, right hand, left side. You can see how it runs down the blade holder. Left hand on the right side. Rinse that. Okay, against the grain, you can use your thumb to pull the skin down. If it's slippery, take your alum block, rub your thumb on there, like that. That will allow you to grip it much easier. and then go straight up. This will get you super smooth on the cheeks. Now the other side, alum on the thumb, stretch the skin. Very good. Rinse. A final cold water rinse. Take your Shave Nation wide stick alum block, remove the cap, soak it under the cold water. Just glide that over all the areas you shaved. This will seal off any little nicks. Getting a little bit of stinging, which is totally normal with a straight razor or Shavette style razor, where it's blade on skin with no safety bar, but it's going to get you a little closer shave. Cap that off, set that down, let this soak into your skin for about 15-30 seconds, and then rinse it off. Final rinse, cold water feels great. Pat the face dry. Let's apply some aftershave. Cella, right here, lines up with the Rapid Shave. It's a liquid. It's got a nice regulator so it doesn't come out too quickly. A little bit of a sting, refreshing. Made in Italy. Cella Aftershave Lotion. Also comes in a balm. Again, if you buy the razor from Shave Nation, it comes with 7 pre-split blades that you can just drop right in and get your shave on. When you're done with your shave, remove the blade from the insert and drop it right into your Shave Nation blade bank for safekeeping. When it fills up, you can remove the bottom, empty it out, and then start all over again. Just a quick final look at the razor, the Parker PTABK. My opinion, if you're doing total face shaving, go with the low insert. If you're doing all around different things, lineups and shaving a little bit, go with the medium. And the high would be best for, if you're just chipping away at some detailing or lineups, just chip little short strokes, it'll be best for that. If you feel that you found a better method, you like using it differently, let me know. Drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear about it. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos at the moment, shaving and more. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below where it says show more or more, and you can grab them right there. Cella, Rapid Shave, Aftershave, Blades. If you want the razor, just go to Shave Nation, enter in the search box PTABK or SN896, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.